Kakertong jong kaseng NPP kaban saya kun ya kashuki MP na Shillong ikong Amperin lengdo hinin kasngi ila ong ba watla baro ki menteri jong kiseng baper ki kershan ya ka rai jong ka sarkar jala Halor ka Jingpyntreikam ya ka ILP ka sarkar jala ringkat UMP katura hadu menta kidang yai buddin Halor kani kaman gajingale menti jong ka sarkar pedeng ha kabaya dei bat kani kaman kakular ba kan nei Halor kani kamat bat ongru ba ka sarkar pedeng kan hab ban shim ya karai.
Just in the House, in Parliament, we will create and generate a focus on this agenda. We have sat across the table. I have read all of the follow-up dialogues and discussions that the NPP MDA1 had with stakeholders. I have read the report thoroughly. I know what was being said then. We will follow through on the ILP agenda with the same spirit. We cannot move away from what was discussed with all stakeholders. You have already seen the MDA1 has already announced for the implementation of the MRSSA in its new version. There were things that were talked about with the MRSSA in the previous regimes, but the MDA1 had gone ahead to look at the implementation of the MRSSA in a new approach. I will stick with what the government says. I will not deviate from what the government has said and committed alongside the NGOs. We will work together on this. There was a problem with the assent of this bill. That has also been sorted. It looks like we are well ahead of the implementation of the ILP. The ILP, in my understanding, has many formulas for implementation. And if in the state of Meghalaya, the MRSSA is an acceptable idea, we go ahead, we get the necessary nods as per directions of the state government with the central government and make sure it sees the light of day.